Straight back. Good? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to talk, man. My car is, you know, in a terrible state. I need brake pads. I need to fix a boost leak.
Oh yeah? Buy this?
Yeah, I'm tired of you telling me about stuff. What's going on, guys? Today, I'm about to get stung by a bee. Oh my God, that bee is so close. Look, look, look. It's following me. See that? You see it? It's in the lens of the... Yeah, whew, almost died just now, guys. Whew, you wouldn't understand. Oh, it's on my leg now. Bee. Yo, man, this bee is in attack mode, man. It's not gonna be happy until they catch a body today.
That's you.
I'm trying to show these wonderful people my new Vrsf car care products.
Trying to wash your car with the windows open?
Well, you know, I got this wonderful doodad. Check this out. It's like magic.
Yeah, clean already. Look at that.
Yo, see how dirty them things got. You won't believe what this is for. It's a special formula to clean wheels.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I
You got
could.
a spray gun for it? Spray bottle?
Yeah, it comes with it. So we're gonna be using the Vrsf Autocare products to do this quick wash because I'm late. Kill the hose. Oh. You don't know how to just V it up?
Kill the hose.
Yeah.
That's how you want to open it.
God, here we go. All right, Vrsf sent out some car care products, and today I'm gonna test them out to see how good it is. We're gonna do a quick wash because, well, you know, I gotta go gap some people. So we're gonna do a quick wash. And yo, what time you said they're ready? 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you guys do want to save 15% off because you're interested in these products, you can use code SS15 on the Vrsf Autocare website. I'll leave a link down below. Also with my special code. So if you use my special code, it'll let them know that you guys like me enough to watch my videos and use the stuff I recommend. And two, you save 15%. So AJ gonna go ahead and act like he knows what he's doing, but yo, let me spray the wheels first to see how it works on dry wheels.
Alright, hurry up.
All right, cool.
Spray mine.
Didn't you,
I know I still, but I thought it's
yo,
like
you have scissors?
in the garage.
Because look, oh, I could do it. I could do it. I'll just push it down.
The next side is dry.
You should I do mine or yours?
It don't matter, do both.
Before and after. Look how, you see how dirty this is for real though? Oh, that's, wait, does it spray out? Yo, this thing is backwards. This is the stream and the other one's the spray. You have the rag? They said you shouldn't even have to do this. You should just be able to,
Just wash it off?
yeah. Just because they sent it to me. AJ, don't break my camera. Else we're gonna be tapping into that overtime money that you just got. I know you work overtime.
I didn't actually.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Open roads, I don't have good brakes, so. That's good. That actually worked pretty good, no? Okay, so that was a failed attempt at showing you guys how this car wash stuff works. The wheel cleaner worked really good though.
Yeah, the rear cleaner did a good job.
It did really good, but the car wash kind of got dark and we kind of got lazy. Well, not lazy, but cars are clean. We just did express style. Hey, Jess, sometimes I think my car looks better than yours, and then I look at yours.
That's the thing. Look at mine.
Which one looked better in the comment section? Which one? If his car looks better, I'll buy him 4. Psych. You gotta catch the angles, you know what I mean? Because you at a good angle right now.
What do you mean good angle? I'm on the street park.
Exactly, that's a good angle for these cars.
You're unparked, right?
Let mean, this is the only time I get to see your car. When we're racing, you're just in the rear view, and I like to.
Yeah.
Waiting for AJ to throw his freaking clothes on. But yeah, I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to be speaking to you guys in such a positive mood. And don't get me wrong, I have filmed a bunch of videos and clips, but I just all threw them away, all threw them in the trash. I was really, really busy, you know, this past couple of weeks and everything, dialing everything in. I'm actually starting to work mornings now and have off Saturday, Sunday, which is good but not good. I don't really like Saturday, Sunday off. I realized, 1, and 2, transitioning from nights to mornings is like, oh my God. You know, less time to make videos and things like that. But we ain't complaining. We just gonna deal with it and get you guys out your videos. So it's like I said, it's been about like a week, a little over a week since you guys seen something drop. Like timing and things like that. I gotta readjust everything because hours are different and it's getting dark when I'm getting out. Or not really, but soon after. Getting tired, you know. Yeah, this ain't gonna work.
So you said axe up in the lower gears, right?
Well, any above like a certain RPM. Yeah, it starts spitting. Yeah, look at that. You got the laser out too, look at that.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm telling you. The laser, my radar don't work for the laser.
Yeah, none of them do.
No, they have one that does.
Yeah?
Yeah, the new ones, yeah.
It's going after somebody. Fuck, the cop's getting caught. Let me see. Somebody's getting caught.
The Bez?
No, the cop is behind us. He pulled over for somebody.
I doubt it, nobody's speeding.
Hold on. I don't see AJ lights. You see his lights?
Who, AJ?
Yeah.
Wasn't he in front of us?
He was?
Yeah. Wasn't he? Yo. Who?
The cop.
Yeah, we saw them, but did they pull anybody over?
They got Jay.
Oh, they got
Yeah,
Jay?
I told you.
Damn.
The person's wearing a leash.
Yeah. Well, got Jay for what? He wasn't speeding.
Where's he going? Get the oh. That guy right there.
It's like, bro, the car's rolling.
That's
really?
what I was about to say.
You got some road.
I don't got enough brakes, so I ain't wilding out, you know?
Yeah.
Get this shit right here. You want to go off launch? Huh? I might spin a little bit. Wait, where do we get on at?
You gotta go down another mile.
All right, launch. Green light, green light. Yo, you cheated.
I didn't see.
Yo, you fucking cheated. Yo, my car started spinning. I'm like, oh shit.
All-wheel drive. Spin in 8 minutes.
Yo, it ain't. Woo, that E550 is fast, man. It's fast. Pretty quick.